Chia pudding is super simple to make. All you need is chia seeds, some fruit of your choice, some containers, a spoon, and coconut milk. So you can use coconut milk, and at the end we can also top it up with some coconut yogurt. So I will start, and you can see how easy this is. I'm holding the camera with one hand. I'm not even using a selfie stick. And you can kind of just guesstimate how much chia you want to put in. You don't need to put in a whole lot, but you don't need to, but it won't be very little either, because the chia will expand and you need to let this sit overnight. And so I'm going to grab my coconut milk. We'll shake it up inside so it's more uniform, and we're going to pour it in. So definitely leave some room on top. Don't fill up your container to the full. So that way you can add your fruits and it'll have room for it to expand. And if you also want to add in some coconut yogurt after, you can. And let's stir up the chia. And that way it'll have room to expand overnight. And it'll be ready to eat tomorrow. And when tomorrow it is ready, it'll be kind of more in a pudding form, and you can add your fruits on top, and voila, bon appetit. You can also mix this in a container first and then pour it into your fancier containers after, if you want it to look a little bit less messy up here. See how it's coming around the edges? So that would make it a little bit fancier too, depending on the dishware you want to serve it in or eat from. And yep, so it looks like everything is mixed in. So I will put this in the fridge now. You want to cover it up with the lid. Where's my other lid? I'll have to find it. But yeah, that's it. Pop these in the fridge, and then 24 hours or even 15 hours later, you can add in your fruit, and I will continue the video tomorrow. It's the morning now, so it's about, I left it for about 15 hours. Is it 15? Yeah, 15 hours. And the chia seed puddings just came out of the fridge, and this is what they look like. Once it's settled, see how it shakes and jellies a little bit? And now it's pudding. Have a look. It is pudding indeed. So with this, I think it's pudding enough. I don't need to add any coconut yogurt. So I'm not going to add any coconut yogurt. It looks great. You mix it up. It looks beautiful. So exciting to eat. So now we can talk about stuff you want to add into it. I like it pretty much plain on its own as well. It's super, super yummy like this. But you can add some vitamin D if you want. Definitely fruit. It makes it so much more refreshing. You can add your protein if you want. You can add some protein powder. You can add some green juice powder. You can add some maple syrup if you want, stevia, acai powder, flaxseed oil, dragon fruit powder, cacao nibs. I love cacao nibs. Vitamin C, coconut, shredded coconut. I always get the unsweetened kind just to minimize on the sugar. You can do agave syrup. You can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna start making one. I'm gonna decorate one. So here's some vitamin D. And all of these you can actually add in during this gellifying process if you want, or the settling process. Vitamin D. What else should we add today? I think I'm just gonna leave it at the vitamin D and some fruit and some shredded coconut. And then you just decorate. And it... Hi, baby. I'm filming a YouTube video.
No, I heard.
Oh, you did? Okay. You heard? How do you hear everything? I'm just grabbing some shredded coconut.
Daddy doesn't chase me.
Oh. And look how beautiful that looks.
What?
Ta-da!
What?
Look, look, there's Sven. Chia seed pudding, all ready for breakfast for you and Dad. Okay?
I'm not eating.
Oh, Sven. Okay, and that's how you make it. As simple as that.